Why microwave popcorn is bad for health. The inside of the bag often contain PFC, which can break down into PFOA, a chemical linked to cancer hormone disruption and fertility issues. The buttery flavor may contain diacetyl, which has been linked to lung damage in high exposure. Some brands use hydrogenated oil, a low-quality fat, which increase bad cholesterol and the risk of heart disease. Many varieties are high in salt, preservatives, and artificial flavors, which can lead to high blood pressure and other health issues. Make your own popcorn on the stove using olive oil or coconut oil.